Hello friends, welcome to Inventro. In this video, I am going to show how to increase your internet speed if it was 10 KB per second or 10 MB per second, and you could change it to 1000 MB per second. If you watch this video, you could also do this. So don't skip it. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Now, I show my initial internet speed using this website. It shows 9 MB per second for downloading and 4 MB per second for uploading. Open a new tab and type Silo browser on your Chrome. Click Try Silo. Here, click Launch. Now, your browser has been opened. Let me show you my internet speed now. It shows 360 Mbps and it has been boosted. Due to the weather condition, the internet speed is low. By using good internet connection, it could go to 1000 MB per second. Let me now show the internet speed by browsing. The loading of my internet speed is very high. Let me show this in normal browser. Here, the loading speed is very low. One feature of this browser is, it is very secure browser. It is a cloud-based browser. That is, the browser is not which works on the display. It works on the server of the Silo browser. It just shows an encrypted display. When you search in Google, it shows many resulting websites. So, you could be hacked easily. But using Silo browser, it could not be possible since it is just shows an encrypted display. Therefore, you can use this browser for your bank transactions and account transaction purposes. So, try to use Silo browsers. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel, watch another video, and visit our webpage.